Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator on a Toyota Tundra. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant or engine parts. Next, gather all your necessary tools, such as a ratchet set, pliers, and a large drain pan. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gloves and safety glasses throughout the entire process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Once prepared, position a large drain pan directly beneath the radiator's drain cock. Open the drain cock and let all the old coolant completely empty into the pan. This might take several minutes. After draining, carefully disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses. If your Tundra has an automatic transmission, you'll also need to detach the transmission cooler lines from the radiator. With the hoses disconnected, proceed to remove the fan shroud and any bolts or clips holding the radiator in place. Gently lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Now, carefully lower your new radiator into position, ensuring it sits correctly in its mounting brackets. Reattach the fan shroud and secure all the radiator mounting bolts firmly. Now, reconnect all the radiator hoses and transmission cooler lines, ensuring they are clamped tightly. Begin refilling the radiator with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, slowly to avoid air pockets. Start the engine with the heater on high to help bleed air from the system. After a short drive, recheck the coolant level and thoroughly inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.